Sometimes, the smallest upgrades in a vehicle can completely change the driving experience, especially in interiors of older SUVs. The Toyota Land Cruiser J12 LC120 from 2002 to 2009 is known for its rugged reliability and spacious cabin, but some of its interior features, like standard sun visors, can feel outdated. Replacing them with LED sun visors with mirrors is a simple yet impactful upgrade that brings both functionality and style to the cabin. The moment you take these sun visors out of the packaging, the difference is noticeable. The materials feel premium, with a solid and durable structure that feels built to last. The finish is smooth, elegant, and designed to blend seamlessly with the Land Cruiser's interior. Every stitch, edge, and contour is precise, showing attention to detail that often feels missing in aftermarket accessories. It's the kind of quality that immediately sets the tone for a professional, well-thought-out upgrade. The standout feature is, of course, the LED mirror. Once the visor is opened, the integrated LED lights activate, casting a soft, uniform glow. This isn't a harsh, bluish light that strains the eyes. Instead, it provides a comfortable, natural brightness, perfect for night driving or for checking your appearance. The illumination feels balanced, enhancing visibility without becoming distracting. It's a subtle yet sophisticated way to modernize an older interior. Installing these visors is straightforward. They are engineered to fit perfectly in the Land Cruiser's original mounting points and wiring, eliminating the need for modifications. Installation can be completed in under 20 minutes with basic tools. The LED lights connect seamlessly to the car's existing wiring harness, so there is no risk of battery drain or faulty connections. The plug-and-play design ensures a clean, professional installation without hassle. The build quality is remarkable. Hinges move smoothly yet with a reassuring firmness, ensuring that the visor stays in place while offering controlled movement. The LED lights are energy efficient and durable, designed to withstand vibrations and shocks that are common in SUVs like the Land Cruiser. The mirrors remain clear and distortion-free, even under high heat or prolonged use, ensuring reliability over time. Functionally, these visors block glare effectively, which is essential for long drives or when navigating bright conditions. They pivot easily, covering the side windows without obstructing the driver's view, making daily driving more comfortable. The LED mirrors add an extra layer of convenience, providing light where it's most needed without requiring additional accessories or interior modifications. One of the most impressive aspects is how these visors enhance the perception of the Land Cruiser's cabin. Even a vehicle that is nearly 2 decades old can feel contemporary with small, well-designed upgrades. The visors respect the vehicle's original design while introducing modern features that feel intentional and sophisticated. They don't dominate the cabin, but rather elevate it in subtle, meaningful ways. The LED lighting is consistent and even across the mirror, avoiding common issues like uneven brightness or glare. It's practical for nighttime use, illuminating the mirror without causing distractions. This makes it an ideal accessory not just for checking appearance but also for improving visibility in low-light situations. It's a small upgrade, but one that significantly improves usability and comfort. Durability is another area where these visors excel. The frame is sturdy and capable of withstanding years of use without sagging or bending. The hinges remain firm, the mirrors resist warping or discoloration, and the LED lights maintain consistent brightness even under continuous use. For SUVs that often face rough terrain or off-road conditions, this reliability is essential. Every component is built with long-term performance in mind, reflecting careful engineering and quality control. The visors are also designed to enhance tactile satisfaction. The smooth movement of the hinge, the click of the visor locking into place, and the soft, uniform illumination all create a premium interaction with the vehicle's interior. It's these subtle details that elevate an ordinary upgrade into a meaningful, practical enhancement. From a usability standpoint, these visors are invaluable. Long drives, city commutes, or nighttime navigation all become more convenient and comfortable. Glare is minimized, visibility improves, and the LED mirror adds a modern touch that the original cabin lacked. The result is a combination of practicality and style, making the driving experience more refined and enjoyable. Even on rough roads or off-road trails, the visors remain firmly in place. The mirrors stay clear, the LED illumination continues to perform consistently, and the hinges hold strong. These small but significant improvements show how well-thought-out design can enhance functionality and aesthetics simultaneously. It's a practical, long-term upgrade that doesn't compromise the rugged appeal of the Land Cruiser. These LED sun visors are also a statement of subtle luxury. They introduce modern technology without overwhelming the original cabin design. The glow of the LEDs, the precision of the hinges, and the clarity of the mirrors all create an upgraded interior that feels contemporary and elegant. For drivers who appreciate